Greetings, fellow visual arts enthusiasts. Creaturist here, coming to you with 21 years of experience making papier-mâché items for the performing arts. We're talking theater, street theater, short films, contemporary dance, storytellers, circus. Everything else is away from my memory right now. But performing arts, you know what that means. So these meant that the papier-mâché had to be super strong, it had to look good, it had to perform good. With all these criterias, I'm sure that most people will need these techniques when they want to venture into the papier-mâché world. Whether you're doing purely decorative items that won't really be manipulated, or something that people will throw around a lot, I think those same techniques can be applied. That way you don't have the heartbreak of it breaking if somebody drops it or throws it in a fit of rage. So that's it. I want to teach the techniques that work, techniques that I use myself in the professional work. So if you want to skip right to the results, I'm the teacher for you. I customize my workshops. That means you want to learn how to make tiny figurines with scrap pieces of styrofoam covered in paper mache. That's what I'm going to teach you. If you want to learn how to make a gigantic mask that's 3 feet tall or more, I can teach you that. I can teach you an over the head mask. Every case is different. I customize my workshops for the person. So contact me, creaturist@gmail.com, so we can discuss possibilities. My hourly rate right now for the demonstration mode, which means I step by step demonstrate everything and you take lots of notes and screen caps. That's the easiest, fastest way for me to teach, and usually the most economical. That's $50 an hour. I can teach a lot in 1 hour, but most of my past customers required 3 to get through the whole step. The whole method of a specific approach for a specific goal. It can go longer than that if you need it to. So let's discuss possibilities. Creaturist@gmail.com for that. I work with paper strips of different kinds, different papers, different thicknesses, different application methods. Paper strips are the strongest. And then paper pulp on top of that for texturing, although sometimes I use paper pulp as the main thing. My favorite paper pulp is CelluClay. I've become a specialist of that one. I'm working on some tutorial videos on that. So these are just some examples of what I cover in the papier-mâché world. If you want to know something specific, I can customize. If you're just curious and you want to get into the papier-mâché, book me some time. I'll show you examples that I physically have here to show on camera. And at different angles, I have 2 webcams so I can show you the table and my face at the same time. And that's it for now. So if you want more information, creaturist@gmail.com, and we can discuss possibilities. Thank you. Have a good, inspiring day.